हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू रेडी सेट रेस ऑफ। आज हम लोग रिव्यू करने वाले हैं वन ऑफ इंडियाज़ मोस्ट पॉपुलर एसयूवी द टोयोटा फॉर्च्यूनर। लेकिन ये फॉर्च्यूनर थोड़ी अलग है क्योंकि ये है द टोयोटा फॉर्च्यूनर लीडर एडिशन। लीडर में हमें मिलता है 2.8 लीटर डीजल इंजन with 6 speed automatic and manual gearbox. The automatic produces 200 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, while the manual transmission variant produces 200 horsepower and 420 Newton meters of torque. नॉर्मल फॉर्च्यूनर और लीडर में ये फ़र्क है कि लीडर में हमें डुअल टोन इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर मिलता है along with new bold and rugged black alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, rear and front bumper spoilers, and wireless phone charging. At the front, the Fortuner gets LED headlamps, DRLs and fog lamps along with front parking sensors. The grille and spoiler are finished in gloss black. On the side, the car remains the same with the dual tone color being the only difference. The 17-inch alloy wheels have a brand new design which looks stunning in black. At the rear, we have fully LED tail lamps along with 4 reverse parking sensors and a reverse camera. The leader offers us a powered tailgate which opens and closes at the press of a button. Now with all the seats upright, you get a decent amount of boot space at 200 liters, and with the third row folded, it increases to 716 liters. And if you want more, then you can fold the second row of seats to get a total of 1080 liters of boot space. The doors, as expected, are pretty heavy. There's dual tone leather finish on the doors along with chrome handlebars, wireless phone charger, gloss black treatment on the speakers, and spacious door pockets. The second row of seats completely tumble down to give us an access to the third row. For a person as heavy and as tall as myself, the third row of seats are extremely cramped. The legroom and knee room is very bad. There is no under thigh support and the headroom is also very less. The second row of seats is much better. It is extremely comfortable with ample amount of legroom, decent under thigh support and really good headroom as well. We get features such as the central armrest along with 2 cup holders, a place to keep your phone along with 12-volt charging socket, 3 adjustable headrests, and the AC controls and AC vents are on the roof of the vehicle. The steering wheel of the leader has mountain controls and can be adjusted for reach and rake. On the right we have the indicator to control the lights, and on the left we have the controls for the wipers. We also have a switch for the cruise control settings. This is the instrument cluster with the speedometer and fuel gauge on the right and tachometer and temperature gauge on the left. The small screen in the middle will show you information such as mileage, range and distance travelled and so on. The infotainment system of the leader is an 8-inch touchscreen which comes with features such as Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it gets 6 speakers. The air conditioner in the car is dual zone along with automatic climate control. The red car shaped sign actually shows whether all the passengers have their seatbelts on or not. You can drive the Fortuner in 3 different driving modes: normal, eco and sport. अगर आपको फॉर्च्यूनर ख़रीदना है तो आपके पास 4 ऑप्शंस है। एक है नॉर्मल फॉर्च्यूनर, लीजेंडर, लीडर एंड GR स्पोर्ट। हमें कमेंट करके बताइए कि आप कौन सी फॉर्च्यूनर लेना पसंद करेंगे और क्यों। प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।